Ever wondered how to make your garden more sustainable and self-sufficient? Enter permaculture, a design method that harmonizes sustainable living with the land, turning gardens into productive, self-sustaining ecosystems. Permaculture is not just a way of gardening, but a way of seeing the world and living on the planet. So what are the core principles of permaculture that can help us create a sustainable garden? First, we have care for the earth. This principle is all about nurturing and preserving our planet's precious resources. In the context of a garden, it means protecting and enriching the soil, promoting biodiversity, and reducing waste. It's about creating a harmonious relationship with nature rather than exploiting it. Next is care for people. This isn't just about growing food, it's about designing environments and systems that foster human well-being. It means creating spaces that are safe, nourishing, and inspiring, where people can both give and receive in a cycle of mutual support. Finally, we have fair share. This principle encourages us to distribute resources in a way that everyone gets what they need. It's about sharing the abundance of our gardens with our communities, promoting equity, and reducing excess. These principles guide us in creating systems that are sustainable, productive, and beneficial for both people and the environment. Now, let's take these principles into the garden. How can we apply permaculture in a practical way? Imagine transforming your garden into a thriving food forest where plants support and nourish each other. Picture using natural methods like companion planting to ward off pests, instead of harsh chemicals. Think about enriching your soil with compost, creating a fertile ground for plants to flourish. By applying these principles, we can create gardens that not only produce food, but also contribute to a healthier planet. So, are you ready to start your journey into sustainable gardening with permaculture? We've explored how core principles like food forests, natural pest control, and soil health can transform your garden. Remember, permaculture is not just about gardening. It's a way of life that can help us live more harmoniously with nature. Happy gardening!